Hello, my study buddies. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to get right into this. We're going to be talking about how to memorize things quickly. Let's get right into it. Number 1, repetition. Right after you learn something, read it, write it, say it out loud. Repetition. 2, after 15 to 20 minutes, repetition. Read it, write it, say it out loud, rewrite your notes, whatever it is. 3, after 6 to 8 hours, read it, write it, look over it, whatever it is. Reading, math, science, whatever it is. Look over it again after 6 to 8 hours. Number 4, repetition after 24 hours. That way this sinks into your brain. By however you learn. By reading it, writing it down, acting out, drawing a picture, singing it out, teaching it to someone, however it is. Recap, once again, repetition right after you learn it. 2, repetition after 15 to 20 minutes. 3, repetition after 6 to 8 hours. And 4, repetition after 24 hours. Yes, short and sweet. Yes, to the point. I hope you guys get this. Good luck on your tests. Good luck on your exams, whatever it may be. Believe me, you got this. I got it. You got it too. We're in this together. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching. Next time. Bye-bye, my guys. Take care. Happy studying. Good luck.